Today we are here at the Best Kept Secret in West Georgia. I am with Mickey from Artisan Built Communities, and we're here to talk about Heritage Point at the Georgian. And today we took just a little field trip, Mickey. We are over here at the Frog Golf Course, which is an added benefit if you decide to move here to this great neighborhood.
It is, and we have people that are avid golfers that purchase and residents that live here, and we have people that are just starting out, retiring and thinking, I want to give this a try, because we are a 55 plus community, so we still have people that work and we still have people that are retired and play golf. You don't have to play golf to live here, but it's awful convenient.
Like you mentioned, this is an active adult community, 55 plus, for Heritage Point at the Georgian, and you have a couple of homes that are ready to move in.
I do. I have a Brazelton slab, which is identical to our model home, and I have a Chambly, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath on a basement, beautiful in the inside and the outside, and it's on the golf course. And then we have a Brazelton basement, which is the same floor plan as my model without the bonus up. And you have a golf course view. So you've got the best of both worlds. You've got a great community to live in, plus you can watch everyone play golf.
Wow, okay, those are not gonna last long because not all of the homes are on the golf course, so that's incredible. And then also you just released some pre-sales, and there's a new floor plan, right?
Yes, we have been eagerly awaiting the Monroe, and a lot of my folks that have been in waiting for these 6 releases are excited to come out and see this new plan.
If someone wants to find out more, come tour, maybe talk to you, what's the easiest way to do that, Mickey?
Well, first of all, they can come out. We're just east of Villa Rica, and I'm open 7 days a week, so virtually open every day for tours. Or you can call at 678-515-9526.
Well, Mickey, thanks so much for being here with me today. It is always a joy to see you.
Same here.
And do not miss out on the Best Kept Secret in West Georgia. Come and check out Heritage Point at the Georgian.